YouTube channel. It's your girl D, and if you're subscribed, thank you, and if you're not, make sure you hit that subscribe button, cause I literally just hit 5K and I am so happy and so grateful for everyone who's been with me on this journey. Honestly, 5K might seem little for someone that's huge, but to me, I am literally so happy for this, and I can't wait to grow with you guys. Okay, so let's move on to what we're doing today. So today's video, I will be waxing myself. I'm gonna give myself a Brazilian wax, and I'm gonna wax my legs and my armpits, so literally my whole body. So I bought this waxing kit from Amazon. It was like $50 something. I'm gonna probably leave the link down below. If I don't, I probably forgot, but you know, I'm ready to wax myself, so why don't we just go ahead, open it up, and see what's in here. Okay guys, so in the box we have 5 wax beans, and probably not gonna be enough for not for today, but over time it's not gonna be enough. So they have the lemon, they have lavender, they have tea tree, they have peppermint and eucalyptus. I don't know how to say that word, but these are the wax beans that are included in here. Okay you guys, so the wax is ready. It's like it's not really honey consistency, so we're basically gonna wait till it cools down a little bit, and then we're gonna start waxing. Okay guys, I honestly think we're ready to start. I'm honestly not mentally ready. I'm actually, my heart is beating. I'm so scared, but anyway, I think the wax is ready and we're ready. I'm gonna start with my underarms first. I'm gonna see how it feels, and then we're gonna move down here. Okay guys, so I am back, and I have my makeup powder because I don't have regular powder, and whenever I'm at the wax center, they use powder before they wax. I think it's like to take the, I don't know, but I'm just gonna apply powder to my underarms, and then we're ready to wax. I'm so scared, you guys. Okay, yeah, I think that's dry enough. I'm just gonna apply a little more. Okay. Oh my goodness, and now we're gonna apply the wax. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Okay guys, so I am so scared. Alright, we're gonna wait till it dries a little bit, and then we're gonna pull it off. Okay, so I think it's ready. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay guys, I'm ready. Woo! Woo! Okay, 1, 2, 3. What the hell, Doreen? Okay. 1, 2. Oh my god. This is not working, you guys. I think it's stopped. Ah! Okay. This is what we got out. I honestly feel dizzy, you guys. I feel dizzy, and I don't want to do this anymore. I feel like I had to apply more than I did. That's why it wasn't moving. Okay, so this is our second try, and honestly, if this doesn't go well, I'm gonna stop because I'm getting dizzy and I'm scared. So okay guys, I think I'm ready. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh my goodness, you guys, look. At this point, I don't know if it's worth it. Like, I'm honestly thinking about shaving because this is so it's not worth it, guys. But I'm just gonna go eat, take a shower, and relax because, like, I'm gonna try again tomorrow because I am so over it. Ugh. Jeez. Like, I still have like some. I'm literally covered in like pieces of it. This is so not worth it. Wow. And here I am thinking I was gonna wax my whole body. Yeah, okay. Okay, Doreen. You tried it. Alright, I'll see. Honestly, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Hey guys, so I decided to finish the waxing today because I literally could not do it yesterday. I was just so out of it. So today's a new day and we're gonna wax down there. I am in my bathroom because I made so much of a mess in my bedroom yesterday, so I decided to just bring it into my bathroom. Anyway, so I am in the bathroom. I'm ready to wax my vajayjay. Okay, so I'm so scared. I'm not sure which way to start first, but okay, I know what to do. Alright, here goes nothing. Okay, so I applied the wax and I'm gonna wait for it to harden up and then I'm gonna peel it off. 1, 2, 3. Oh gosh, I'm scared. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Almost there. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, I did it. This shit hurts, y'all. It's not even funny. Okay, here is it. Okay, I'm starting to sweat. I'm getting sweaty, guys. But here is my pubes. Okay, so I'm gonna do this part now. Okay, 3, Three. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we got it, y'all. Okay, so I've done my bikini area, so we're gonna move to that little V part of our vajayjay, and I feel like this is gonna hurt really bad, but we'll see. I'm not sure which way I'm supposed to go. Here goes nothing, guys. Okay. Here it is, guys. God, I'm sweating. I am sweating like nothing. I don't want to do this anymore, guys. This sucks, to be honest. Okay guys, so I just finished waxing myself, and honestly, I am never ever in my life doing this again. Like, it is so much better when someone else is waxing you, but for you to do yourself, never again in my life. But for the first time, I did pretty good. It looks so good. Not so good, let me not lie to myself. It doesn't look that like when I go to professionals to do it, but it honestly looks fine to me. It looks pretty nice, and for some reason the pain was more than like when someone else is doing it for me. I don't know why, but never again. I'm never doing this again. So y'all know the deal. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because I did this video for you guys, because honestly I would have I wouldn't have shaved if they used what's name there or something, but never again in my life. So this video was for you guys. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and whatever, share. I am so over this. I just want to get out of here. So I will see you guys in the next video.